We're going to do a gentle nervous system reset, and this is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. And I'm going to teach you how to get more familiar with what you're feeling so that you can get to the next level of your transformation and healing. So many of us don't know how to name it, to tame it. We don't understand what we're feeling in the moment because we don't allow ourselves to go there. So today, we're going to do that. Take a deep breath in and out. I want you to follow me and tap along with me. So I want you to tune in to what you're feeling. Are you feeling anxious, overwhelmed, heartbreak, fear? I want you to take a real close look at that feeling and then go deeper. What might have triggered that feeling? What might have made you feel the way you feel right now? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. It's rarely about the current situation. It's usually about the story we tell ourselves. What does it really mean when we get overwhelmed? Like, for instance, are you angry at the dishes? What's the story you're telling yourself about that? That you can't have a clean house? That you've already worked too hard? What is the story you're telling yourself? Maybe you don't get enough help. Maybe you don't feel like you can ask for help. Maybe you don't feel like enough. What's the story? Take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to share a TEDx talk by my friend Yasmin. She's a number 3 psychologist in New York City. She's amazing, and she talks about decoding our emotions. I'm going to help you through that. Once you realize what's going on in your mind and your body, it can be so much easier to name it and then tame it. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When you start to dive in deeper into these emotions, where do you feel it in your body? Is it in your throat? Is it in your shoulders? Is it in your upper back? In your lower back? Where do you feel the tension? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. As we get calm, it's easier to feel our feelings and go deeper and find out the origin. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we snap at somebody, it's rarely about the situation. It's about something else. But what is that? Ask yourself, why did I lose my you-know-what? Whether it was when you were yelling at the kids or at work, you got frustrated. Take a deep breath in and out. It's okay to not feel okay, but we need to get to the bottom of why you don't feel okay. Good. And as we get calm, we calm the storm within the body, and we can find clarity. We can find out why we're feeling the way we're feeling, and then do something about it. Like, do you need to set better boundaries? Do you need to ask for more help? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we get quiet, we can hear the messages from our body and our mind. We can feel the feelings. When we find ourselves scrolling or checking out, numbing out, we can't hear them. Good. Let's go to the center of the chest. It's okay to not be okay, but we have to do something about it. empower yourself. Change your circumstances. Good. The only one who's going to change it is you. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So I want you to start saying, even though I'm feeling this way, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Even though I'm feeling like this, I deeply love and accept myself. Tune into where you're feeling this. Sometimes when we're carrying too much, our shoulders can hurt, our back can hurt. These are not metaphors. We truly hold our tension in our shoulders and our back when we are carrying too much. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the top of the head. Even though I'm feeling this in my body, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Even though I'm feeling this, I deeply love and accept myself. What do you need to do to feel better? What support, what balance do you need to bring in so that you feel better? Is it tapping more often? Is it asking for help? Is it setting boundaries? Is it listening to your body when you've had enough? What would a friend say to you? What would a friend recommend you do? Sometimes it can be hard for us to see what is best for ourselves, but we can trust sometimes a friend or a family member to say, you are fine the way you are. You don't need to prove yourself or work harder. You're doing a great job. Sometimes we just need to hear that. What do you need to calm that anxiety, to calm that fear? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You're doing great. Let's go to the center of the chest. I want you to say, even though I've been feeling all these feelings and I've been too hard on myself, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I've been too hard on myself, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Let's go to the outside of the body. Even though I've been feeling all these feelings, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Talk about where you feel it. How are you feeling? Okay? Keep tapping and talking about your feelings. This is going to help you get to the bottom of why you might have been feeling the way you were feeling or done some things that you might not be proud of. This will give you more clarity. We have to get quiet so we can get the information from our body and our mind. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. I love you. You're doing great. Keep it up.